What up, guys? So we're back at it after a few sim races. It's a good break. Uh, but today, I gotta figure out how to switch this. Hub came in. I already plopped it on the spindle. And we're gonna get this side all back together. Now, this is the first time I've ever dealt with a brake shoe, so if something looks wrong, let me know. But yeah, as soon as I plopped this knuckle back in, again, back, as soon as I plopped this knuckle back in, the old hub or the old wheel bearing had play in it, and I didn't feel it before, so it's a bummer. It would have been nice to order two of these, but that's just naive Phil, thinking he could just do one side. And you know, it's a blessing in disguise, and we won't have to worry about the old one going out. So now my bearings have been good in the front. After 2021 season, 2022 winter, I changed them. So those are about a year and a half old. And now the rears, as mentioned before, are changed. And I've never touched these since I've owned the car. So we're going to plop this back in. We're going to connect the spring bucket back in. We're going to tighten everything down and hopefully get this whole brake system bled. And don't forget the axle. Exhaust is already up. The floor is looking cleaner. My wife's going to be happy. So as mentioned, we got this whole thing back together. Calipers are on. Spring bucket is on. All the bolts and nuts are torqued down. The floor is so much cleaner except this pile of tools. I now have this seat out because I was taking out more sound deadening. Now I just got the trans tunnel to work on both sides, but it's been below zero in here. So I haven't been really able to work. Got a nice little heater set up. I'm going to have to rewire that because I'm just not happy with it, but we'll get it fixed. It works. First job doing any electrical work, but it works. But yeah, so to the list, not doing this yet because I may have a SCCA event before a grid life event. Coilovers, front calipers are done. Got to change my engine oil. Working on that. Trans fluid is changed. Not going to do this one. Diff fluid has been changed. Diff cover I'm not going to do. Brake pads have been measured. All that has been done. I can actually cross that off now. Mentioned this, I swapped to my softest setting. Had a discussion with Lyle about front rear roll couple, and it seems my car is very set up for autocross. Gonna try it out. We'll see how it goes. These are all torqued. Now I just gotta do a string alignment, bleed the brakes, and engine oil. So got a lot done. I'm actually looking for a replacement for this seat. One, I want to get a halo seat for the driver's side, and then for SCC events, this will be my passenger side. Club TR, I'll just remove the seat. This thing weighs like 45 pounds. This with the bracket's gonna weigh like 20. So yeah, it is freezing in here. But got the carpet out, and like I mentioned, got to work on that trans tunnel, but we'll get a wire reel, get some of the excess off, and then that silver piece right there is actually like a cover for that hole there. So that's just straight to the ground. That needs to be taped back up. This is my seat brackets with the sliders on. I'm going to be removing the sliders and my pile of mess that I've been working on. Yeah, project's going well. I can't work on anything because it is disgustingly cold out. And in here, it's about 26 degrees. And I'm shivering, so everything's on a standstill. And I'll just be sim racing in the meantime. See you guys later.